Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change the playback speed on YouTube app. Open YouTube app on your device. Play a video. Tap anywhere on the video to display playback controls. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner of the video player. Select playback speed from the menu. Choose your desired playback speed from the available option. 2x means 2 times the normal speed. Zero point 0.25 means 0.25 times the normal speed. This is how you can change the playback speed on YouTube app. Thank you for watching.